Hello, Kunan. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me well?
Yes,
Very good. So, how are you, Kunan?
I am happy.
Very good. Have you eaten dinner already?
I am waiting.
Very good. So, what did you have for dinner?
Yours is chicken and fish.
Chicken and fish. Very good. All right. Well, did you have rice also? Did you have rice also?
Yes,
Nice, Kunan. Okay. So, Kunan, this time we're going to continue learning about Unit 8.1 School Supplies. Are you ready?
already.
Very good. Okay, so listen, ask, and answer. Then we are going to practice. Here it is. Oh, here.
Page 73. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Where was the folder?
It was on the table. 1,
Where was the folder?
It was on the table.
2,
Where was the lunchbox?
It was on the table.
3,
Where was the water bottle? It was on the table.
4,
Where was the dictionary?
It was on the table.
5,
Where was the calculator?
It was on the table.
6,
Where was the stapler? It was on the table.
All right. Now, Kunan, I want you to look and read. Okay, I am the girl and you are the boy. Okay, now, Kunan, where was the folder?
Father,
Yeah, where was the folder?
it was on table.
Very good. Okay, now, Kunan, where was the dictionary?
It, it was on the sofa.
Nice.
Sofa.
Okay, where was the stapler?
They Teacher, say mình là say mình là
Where was the stapler?
They are a table.
Where was the stapler?
Teacher, it was on the table.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, now look, listen, ask, and answer. Okay, so look, Kunan. All right, so let us discuss. Look at this one. What day is it today?
I
Today is Sunday,
sun.
right? Okay. So
Đấy,
if it is
ní,
today, we use is.
ice.
Again, today is Sunday, so we use is. Okay, now, what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Saturday. So that was yesterday. We
Yesterday.
use was. Again, today is. Yesterday was. All right?
Alright.
Very good. Okay, now look. Where was the folder?
Nothing.
Where was the folder?
One. Two. Three. Four. Đó, cô đang ghi
Where was the folder?
wait ở làm bút.
Okay, you say, look, where was the folder?
Ờ, bớt số
You say, it was
ở anh rớt cái bớt
table. Very good. Now, where was the lunchbox? Where was the lunchbox?
cái bớt
Where was the lunchbox?
bột
Where was the
bớt
lunchbox,
của
Kunan? Here, Kunan. Where was the lunchbox?
vấn đề là on the table.
You say it was on the
It,
table.
it was on the table.
Very good. Now, where was the stapler?
Treasure. Sandwich. Apple.
Where was the stapler, Kunan?
Stella.
Yeah. Where was the stapler?
Stella.
Very good. So what will you say?
It was on the table.
Nice. Where was the water bottle?
Water. It.
Where was the water bottle?
Water. It was on the table.
Nice. Okay, now where was the dictionary?
Water.
Where was the dictionary? Where was the dictionary?
Dictionary is.
Yes.
It was on the table.
Nice one. Okay, now where was the calculator?
Love is real.
Calculator.
Yes. Yes. It was on the table.
Very good,
Mm,
Kunan.
and
Nice.
mm,
Okay, now this time you got 6 out of 6. Very good, Kunan. Okay, so I'm going to give you 6 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4,
2, 3,
5,
4,
6.
5,
Very
6.
good. Okay, now this time I want you to look and answer. Okay, look, Kunan. This is a living room. Okay, where was the water table? A water bottle. Where was the water bottle? Look, where was the water bottle?
Eh? So,
Where was the water bottle, Kunan?
what the bar?
Where was the water bottle?
No,
Where was the water bottle?
no, eh.
Nice. Okay, so where was it? You say it was.
It was on. It was on both shelves.
All right, very good. It was on the bookcase. Very
Both
good.
shelves.
Now, where was the folder? Where was the folder?
Crowded. It was on the computer. It was on the computer. Computer. Crowded. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. I'm sorry, Kunan. Where was the folder? Here, folder.
Folder.
Yes.
Folder. Folder.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, where
It was
was the folder?
on the table.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, now where was the dictionary?
New.
Where was the dictionary?
Dictionary. Hmm. I was on the sofa.
On the sofa. Very good. Now, last one. Where was the lunchbox?
Lumber.
Yes. Where was the lunchbox?
I was on the chair.
On the chair. Very good, Kunan. Okay. Now, this time, you have additional 4 stars. Very good. Okay. So here are your 4 stars. That's 4 out of 4. Great job, Kunan. Okay, now this time, I want you to look,
And
listen, and practice. Here it is, Kunan.
here
Listen carefully.
Page 73. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What was on the table?
A folder was on the table. 1,
What was on the table?
A folder was on the table.
2,
What was on the sofa?
A dictionary was on the sofa.
3,
What was on the bookshelf?
A water bottle was on the bookshelf.
4,
What was on the chair?
A lunchbox was on the chair.
5,
What was on the desk?
A stapler was on the desk.
6,
I was on the
What was
ground.
on the computer? A calculator was on the computer.
Right. So look at this one, Kunan. All right, so I am the girl again, and you are the boy. Okay, now, Kunan, what was on the table?
Table.
Yes. What was on the table?
A folder. A folder.
Yes.
A folder was on the table.
Very good. Here it is. Okay, now, what was on the bookcase? What was on the bookcase?
A water bottle was on the bookshelf.
Very good. Okay, what was on the computer?
A metal was on the computer.
What was on the computer?
computer. A
Here. What was on the computer?
computer.
Yes. What's this?
Computer.
What was on the computer?
Computer. Select now on the computer.
A calculator was on the computer. Very good. Now, what was on the chair? What was on the chair?
Hmm.
What was on the chair?
A lunchbox on the chair.
Very good. Now, what was on the desk? What was on the desk?
A child
What was on the desk?
speller on the desk.
Very good. Okay, now, what was on the sofa?
A decorator on the sofa.
Very good. You say dictionary.
A dictionary on the sofa.
Very good. Okay, so you have another 6 out of 6 here. Great job, Kun An. You are smart. Can you give me a high five again? High five. High five and one fist bump. Fist bump. Wow. All right, so I'll give you 6 stars again. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. Wow, that is plenty of stars, Kunan. Okay, now look at this one. Let us play a game. Let us practice again. Look and answer. What was on the table?
What I got a,
What was on the table?
a folder was on the table.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, now next. What was on the sofa?
A, uh, decorator was on the sofa.
Very good. Okay, but I want you to say dictionary. Dictionary.
Dictionary.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, now look. What was on the
This is on the sofa.
bookcase? What was on the bookcase?
It says a water brush was on the bookshelf.
Bookshelf. Very good. Wow, nice one. All right, now number 4. What was on the chair?
On the shelf,
What was on the chair?
a landmark was on the chair.
Very good. Wow, that's really nice, Kunan. Okay, so for that one, you got another 5 out of 5. Wow, you're really smart. So another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Okay, now this time, I want you. Oh, there's one more left. Okay, so what was on the desk?
Yeah. A sharpener, a sharpener was on the desk.
Very good. Okay, you say stapler. Stapler.
Sharpener,
Very good. Okay, now look at this one. What was on the
one,
computer?
a
Wha-
calculation on the computer.
Great job. Okay, so for that one, you got 3 out of 3. Nice one. A perfect score
One,
again.
two,
One,
three.
2, 3. Okay, now you say calculator. Calculator.
Calculator,
Nice one. Okay, again,
calculator,
you say Q. Q.
calculator.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, now look at this one. Let's look at the classroom. All right. Now, Kunan, listen to teacher and answer. Okay, so this is how you answer. Let us practice. Now, where's the dictionary? Dictionary, where are you? It's here. Okay, now, here. What was on the bookshelf?
Um,
What
um,
was on the bookshelf?
the dictionary were on the bookshelf.
Very good. Okay, now, what was on the table? What was on the table?
Table, table, table. The is number was on the table.
Nice one. Okay, now what was under the armchair? Where was? Okay, what was under the armchair? What was under the armchair?
Okay. H R Water work on the tray.
Armchair, Kunan. Look, what was under the armchair? What was under
Armchair.
the armchair?
The car car runner on the under the tray.
Very good. Okay, now, what was in the bag? What was in the bag?
In the back.
Yes.
The water bottle was on the dinner bag.
Say that again.
The water the bottle was on the treasure bag.
The water bottle was in. You say was in the bag.
Was in the bag.
Yes, it's inside. Look, in. All right,
The
now look,
water
it's in like
was
that.
is in the bag.
Very good. Okay, now what was on the armchair? What was on the armchair?
Okay.
What was on the armchair?
Mm-mm. On the tray. On the tray. On the tray. As the referral was on the sofa.
All right, very good. Okay, so for this one, you got one, two. Oh no, there's one more left. Okay, now, where was the stapler? Where was the
Was the tray.
stapler? Where was the stapler? Stapler.
Treasure.
Where was the stapler?
Cabana. Cabana. The
Yes.
cylinder was on the head.
You say the stapler was in the girl's hand.
newsstand,
Okay, again, Kunan, the stapler was in the girl's hand.
the cylinder was in the girl's hand.
Very good. You say stapler, stapler.
Stapler.
Very good. So how many answers, correct answers have you got here? Let's count. One, two, three, four, five, six. Wow, perfect again. 6 out of 6. You're really
Six
doing
or six.
great. So you
One,
have
two, three,
one,
four, five,
two,
six.
three, four, five, 6 stars. Very good, Kunan. Wow. Okay. Now, this time, I want you to ask teacher. Okay, let us switch. You will be the one to ask me. You say, teacher, what was on the bookshelf? Teacher, where was the lunchbox? Your turn. Let us switch.
Teacher, what, uh, what was on the bookshelf?
Okay, the dictionary was on the bookshelf.
What was on the table?
The lunchbox was on the table.
What was on the green house?
Okay, the stapler was on the girl's hand.
What was on the green house?
One more.
Oh, the- mm, it was on the sofa.
The folder was on the sofa.
What was on the sofa?
The calculator was under the sofa.
What was on the fan?
The water bottle was in the bag. Wow, that is another 6 out of 6. Very good. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stars in total. Now you
Ah,
count how many stars you have. You count 5. I'll be back.
it's 30,
How many stars have you got? Let's count
30
by 5.
star,
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30,
30,
35. Wow, 40! Very good, Kunan.
30,
Okay, 40 out of 40. Wow,
30.
nice. Okay,
Ah,
so what is your favorite color? Do you like pink? What
yes,
is your
I do.
Wow. Okay, close your eyes. I want you to close your eyes. I will give you something because you did great in our class. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Okay, in the count of five, five, open. One, close, close.
One,
One, two,
one,
three,
two,
four, five.
three, four,
Open.
five,
Here's
five.
your reward, Kunan,
Teddy bear.
for you. Because you did great. Keep up the good work. I hope that you learned something. See you next time, Kunan. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.